In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print in Google Sheets using a simple and efficient method. Start by opening your spreadsheet and making sure everything looks the way you want to print. Now, go to the top menu and click File, then select Print. You can also click the printer icon in the toolbar or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard for a faster shortcut. This will open the print preview screen. Here you can see exactly how your sheet will look on paper. Adjust the settings if needed. You can change orientation, margins, scaling, or choose specific rows and columns to print. If your sheet is wide, try switching to landscape or using fit to width so everything fits properly. Once everything looks good, click Next. Now choose your printer and press Print. That's it. Printing in Google Sheets is quick and flexible, letting you control exactly how your spreadsheet appears on paper.